It's actually really good. These plantains?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some dry plantain.
Come here. You're awful! Who does that? What did you do? I didn't even see how you did it. Cotton balls in there. Oh my!
I put the cotton balls in the bag of plantains.
Did you touch it?
Yeah, I touched it. I almost picked it up. Oh,
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. We're checking out of our hotel.
Yeah.
Bye. So sad. So sad to be leaving. This is an amazing staycation. Oh.
Hi, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, shout out to the Hyatt Regency Riverfront. Riverside? I never know. I don't know which one it is. Hyatt Downtown Jacksonville. Incredible hotel. Incredible staff. Like, not just because we had a suite. Like, everybody was super, super nice.
Yeah.
Very helpful. I mean, just awesome. Awesome place. Highly recommend if you're coming to Jacksonville for anything. Especially, like, you come here for the Florida-Georgia game. You come here for a sporting event because the stadium is not far from here. You come here for a concert. So you can get on that river taxi that we took. You get on, what's it, like a block from here?
Yeah, at the landing.
You get on a block from here and you can ride it over to the stadium, get off, because they have like a concert venue over there. The riverboat, or the river taxi guy was telling us that during the Bret Michaels concert that he had a whole bunch of like middle-aged women that were all gushing over Bret Michaels riding the river taxi intoxicated, so that was funny. Best hotel we've ever stayed at.
Yep.
No doubt. Embassy Suites was amazing as well.
Yeah.
Amazing. The last one that we're in when we dropped eyes out, Fort Lauderdale. But this is the best one we've stayed at. We've been here 30 seconds. Abigail's already on the couch. She's got her spot. So happy to be home, huh? Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. I'm so excited.
Hi. Did you miss me? Huh? Did you miss me? I missed you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Whew.
Okay, so we got home from that adventure and we're gonna start another one today. We got people coming over. These are all campers, counselors from Abby's camp. We invited everybody over that got to hang out with Abby during camp to come over and do like a little cookout. We were supposed to do cookout and pool. We'll see. We'll see if this weather clears out. It's been, you know, it's been raining. Another afternoon rain situation. What you mad about, kiddo? Abigail's been chilling. She's been relaxing on the couch. She's tired, like we exhausted her or something. All these activities. Ah, look who's here. She says hi. Hi. This is her mood, her current mood.
I saw it through the window. I was like, that's about right.
Yeah. Well, we had an adventure-full last few days, so.
Yeah.
He's a flat-footed retriever. So, do you guys know? Okay, so that's Summer. Okay, so Summer, we met Summer through Surfers for Autism like 7 years ago. So she hangs out with Ab and just helps with her now.
I have her friends.
Okay. And Summer doesn't live here. So, and she's getting ready to transfer to New York to go to college.
Yep.
She's leaving us.
Okay, so we got some new products in the mail that we're gonna be reviewing lately. Those don't matter right now. The important thing is that we found out how to entertain high school and college age people with sensory items. So what's the best? The foam, the what is that stuff called? The putty or the slime? What do you think?
I'm a foam fan. I don't know, the putty can bounce.
It does bounce. He went to college.
Science.
How is that?
Interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like it.
it's really. It looks cool.
It's
It's
like it's satisfying because it doesn't
Like, I
stick to
wanna
you,
like
but at the
it.
same time, it's
like liquid
gross.
though.
Yeah.
Like it's not like normal
Yeah.
slime.
No, it's a little
A nice
much.
residue.
It looks like that one character from Monsters vs. Aliens, but pink.
Yes. Bob. Yes.
Are you having a good time with everybody here, Ed? It's cool, right?
Excited that everybody's here.
Maverick's got all these friends. Okay, so we have like what do we have? 3 years of camp here, right? We're missing 1 year
We're missing 1 year.
of buddies.
Of
Yeah.
buddies.
So we've got you guys can introduce yourselves and how you know Abigail. Go ahead, Josh.
Oh,
You're up
hi,
first.
I'm Josh. I know Abby from camp, and I've been doing camp for 4 or 5 years.
This is your last year.
And this is my last year.
Sadly.
Maybe. I always get reeled back in.
Maybe.
I'm Jack. I know Abby from Camp 2, and I've been doing camp for 5 years.
Awesome. Jack, how much longer do you have at camp?
I have no idea.
No?
A lot can happen between this summer and next summer, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
Got that life in the way.
I'm Becca. I know Abby because I was her buddy at camp 3 years ago, and this is my 7th year out at camp.
So that was Abby's second year. You were her buddy, right?
Right. Yep.
Wait, I'll come back.
Okay.
I'm Erin. I was Abby's buddy last year at camp. I've only been doing it for 3 years, and I'm hoping to stay there for like as long as possible. So.
Well, that's good.
I'm Catherine. I was Abby's buddy this year, so a couple of weeks ago. And this is only my 2nd year out at camp, but I hope to do it as long as possible.
So you know what you can learn from this, Catherine, is that you're sucked in. Once you know
Oh, yeah.
all these people.
100%.
It's been years now that they've known Abby, so yep, we never let you out.
100%.
So Josh was in the Instagram photo that like blew up. Everybody loved with Abby. They were. So he just told me the story about it. They were. When was it? During the talent show?
Yeah, it was during the talent show.
During the talent show. So Abby pulled him out to the playground, and they basically sat for 10 minutes laughing hysterically, staring at each other's faces. But basically, right? That's what happened. We're always impressed at how someone who's never spoken a word can, talk to so many people as far as influence their life positively. And you guys get to see that on a large scale, because we get to see it just from Abigail, the impact that she's had on the people around her. But you guys get to see that on a large scale because you guys get to see it, weeks at a time at camp and stuff.
So did camp change some of you guys, like with what you want to do?
Oh, it helped me figure out my
Yeah.
life. Honestly.
It solidified everything for me because I've been working with special needs since 7th grade, but going into camp just made it official.
Yeah. Now, did everybody know about special needs before you started camp? You guys didn't, right?
I didn't know a thing until my
But
mom
you
signed me
guys
up.
did.
It's taught me a lot over the
Yeah.
past 5 years.
And you guys
It's
get a
like-
lot of training, because that's one of the questions we get asked all the
Definitely.
time. Like,
Yeah.
you trust these young people with your daughter? I'm like, oh yeah, because you get so much training. I mean, even as a buddy, right?
Well, we get a week-long training.
Yeah.
Right. I know you guys get like PCM training.
We had a week long.
PCM,
lifeguard,
PCR,
CPR, first aid.
CPR, first aid, and then we also have a week of training, which is like
We go through
any
a bunch
kind of
of
scenario that you can think of is gonna happen. So like seizures, behaviors, like anything you can think
From
of.
like the lowest level to the highest level, we learn that whole vast range and how
And
to
that's like
handle
kids
it.
that are in wheelchairs with feeding tubes,
Right.
autism,
Yeah.
Down syndrome. I mean, anything you can imagine.
Yes, ma'am.
Abby, you gotta give Summer a hug. She's
Do you have
leaving.
gas?
I do.
Go give Summer a hug. No, go give Summer a hug.
I was
Big hugs.
When her and all the
Love you,
volleyball
Summer.
girls come, I
I'll
would
see you in 2 weeks,
Say
okay?
bye.
have fun with all your friends.
That's hard to do.
Bye, guys. It was nice meeting y'all.
Thank you. Thank you. Love you.
2 weeks.
We'll see you in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Bye,
Bye.
Summer.
Thank you for everything.
Drive safe.
Text us when you get there. Tell the girls we said hello.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Have fun tomorrow.
Thank you.
Did good this time.
Nobody even cries when she leaves anymore. Good job, Ab. She's like, I have all these other people right now. Wait till they leave.
Recording. Okay, I am now. Asa! Asa! I knew you shouldn't have done that! Oh my gosh! Are you okay? You didn't break anything, did you?
Oh no, I might have broke a rib.
You're an idiot.
It stopped.
It's the $18.
Is it?
Looking for the invisible rock that he...
No, it just stopped. I stopped dead on something.
It looked like you hit just a pothole.
Okay. It straight up stopped. What in the world?
I thought you skated before.
I did.
What'd you do? Why are you talking like that?
Guess I crushed my ribs into my lungs. Oh, it's not that anti-bite. I turned hard.
I feel like it's only fair for me to fall on it now.
Don't turn too hard, because the deck does bite.
You're also barefoot.
What's the deck and what's a bite?
Well, if you go too hard, the deck will hit the wheel, and you'll stop suddenly
That's frightening.
and land on your ribs.
Please
Never.
don't hurt anything.
I've never skateboarded before in my life.
And he's wearing no shoes.
Hey, don't worry. Was
Oh my gosh.
I landed hard.
I know.
I landed
saw
like this.
you.
It's okay. We got lifeguards here.
We have lifeguards.
Why am I so bad at sports?
Yeah. I know, dude. Get better at skateboarding. Come on, bro.
Hey,
Be like me.
it just bunch of kick flipping. Oh man.
Don't turn hard. Just that's all I
Look
gotta
at
say.
your
Those
elbow.
are
I know, it's
some gnarly
gnarly, huh?
road rashes.
How does it feel to be 36?
I'm fine, dude. I'm fine. Give it to me. I'm gonna go again.
Asa.
Also, it's backwards.
I feel much more confident now.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Famous last words.
Turn away from the water.
Oh my gosh.
Can you say goodbye to everybody? Give everybody hugs.
See, thanks for
Say bye, my friends.
Thank you.
You have more.
Whole life. Bye.
And thank you so much for having us over.
Yes, no problem.
Hope you're
No problem. Next time bring something a little more challenging than here you go. Once you go right at skateboard. That was easy. Wow. Go get Jack. Go get Jack a hug. Go give him a hug. There you go. Say bye to everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys for coming over. That was
Oh,
fun.
you too.
Bye, bye, guys.
Bye.
You know what's super special to me? Like it wasn't like it's not charity.
No.
Like they were here for hours.
Yeah.
Like hours and hours and hours.
Yeah.
Like they got here at lunchtime. It's past dinner time.
Yeah.
Like they didn't come here for charity. It was like, they genuinely wanted to see our girl and like hang out and stuff. And
You guys don't know how much that means to us.
so much.
And thank you to their parents
Yes,
for raising such awesome kids.
Yes, for birthing such amazing humans. I'm not lying. I hurt a little.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was bad.
it hurt.
That was a stupid decision.
It wasn't stupid. I was riding a skateboard. It was just a thing. So what happened was I turned really hard because I was trying to
What
look
happened
cool.
was he's 36 and he shouldn't be riding a
That has nothing to do with it. I turned really hard on the new board because I was trying to look cool in front of Priscilla because she was giving me a hard time. So I was trying to shred, and that deck's got really bad wheel bite when you turn that hard. So the wheels stopped and I didn't, and I just went flying. So lesson learned: can't shred on the new board. Okay, guys, that's it for us today. Everybody is gone. All of Abby's friends are gone. Summer's gone. She'll be back in a couple weeks, and we'll see her again. The question keeps coming up. I see it frequently in the comments. Who is Summer? Because we have a lot of new people. Totally understandable. I would definitely say watch our channel trailer because that explains a lot of stuff.
Yep.
There's FAQ video there. But so Summer is a family friend. We met her through Surfers for Autism. We just got close to her. She liked us. We liked her. And now she is working as Abigail's respite. That's why you'll see her doing a lot of the caregiving with Abigail.
Yeah, so she comes and goes.
Yeah. She basically has a job hanging out with her best friends.
Yeah.
She has a pretty good job. So that's who Summer is. I'm very sore. Very sore. Moral of the story today?
You're not as young as you think.
I was going to say that introduce young people to special needs folks because it builds empathy and awareness and acceptance in them that they'll carry into their adulthood. But
That's a good one too.
okay, just making sure. Wear protective gear also. When I didn't hit my head, fortunately, but wear helmets. Do as I say, not as I do.
Okay, we have to get off of here so we can go get on you now.
I love how concerned you were with whether or not you got that on the video or not. You're like a pro YouTuber.
Thanks.
Nothing's broken. Okay, just sore. All right, guys, we will see you next time. We love you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. And we love Abby's crew, her friends,
do.
people that just, you know, they're going to make the world a better place as
They are.
as
So
they
proud of
become
them.
adults, and some are already adults, but older adults. All right, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire.
Were you recording?
I think so. Come on, give me a good thumbnail.
There's your thumbnail.